So, what's up mga youngsters, mga taga Daddy G? Hi Daddy G, how are you? So, quick update lang. Ayun, si Mami ay pauwi na. Pauwi na si Mami, masaya ka? Pati nung masaya, smile. Yan. Tagal-tagal din sila kasi hindi nakita ni Mami eh. Matagal kayo hindi nakita ni Mami, no? Oo. Ngayon masaya ka na? Nung mga panahong wala si Mami, malungkot ka? Malulungkot ka rin? Ha? Malungkot ka nga? I guess ganun talaga eh. Kasi mahal nila isa't isa eh. Kaya yun. Pero bakit ako nag-video? Wala lang kasi medyo mabigat pa rin yung pakiramdam ko. I have been, pero right now kasi may buhat-buhat ako, may dadala ako. And I felt that I needed to share this, di ba? Share ko na lang to, no? Kasi parang bigat eh. Siguro ano lang, ayun lang, everything will be fine. But if you're hurt right now, huwag mong isipin na ganun lang yun, o sinaktan ka lang ng Diyos. Kasi I think God has a better plan for us na nasasaktan today. Ay, ang hirap, pero hindi ko alam how would I start. But to be honest, I really don't know what happened. It's a roller coaster. Sobrang, ewan ko, ang bilis din ng pangyayari. Sobrang nakakagulat lang din. Pero bakit kasama ko pala si Daddy G sa video? Kasi he was part of the story, di ba? Di ba? You were part of it, right? Di ba? Every time na magkausap kami ng taong yun, you were there, right? Alright. Yun lang. Siguro talagang hindi ko alam. I don't know what to say. Pero yun lang. Mabigat lang ang kalooban ni Dong. Bigat pa rin eh. Mabigat talaga. Kaya siguro never play with emotions. Kasi emotions yan eh, mahirap eh. I was used to being, being alone. Sanay na nga ako eh, for almost 7 years na hindi ako nakikipagrelasyon. Then I met this fine lady. We were doing good in the beginning until such time, 2 days ago, we had I don't know if that's an argument pa ba, pero there's an incident that made us not talk to each other anymore. No, Daddy? Hindi naman nag-uusap, no? No? Si Inday na. Wala naman tayong magagawa. That's out of my control. Pero it's just that I'm in the phase of adjusting again. Kasi nga, for almost 2, ilang weeks na ba yun, Daddy? 3 weeks? Almost a month na kaming going siguro 3 weeks to a month that we were talking. Wala talagang lang. All I could say is we were doing fine. We were happy. And then all of a sudden, ayun na. Kaya parang it's very shocking also to me na Bakit ganun? Parang, what did I do? Anong ginawa ko? Did I do anything wrong? Did I hurt anyone? Wala naman. Di ba, Daddy? Wala naman no? Kaya, hirap talaga, guys. Pero, yun. Yung kasama rin sa struggle ko yung yung pag ni Mommy. And when my mom was admitted sa hospital, kasama pa siya nun. Okay pa kami. Actually, whenever I feel that I'm really tired, whenever we talk, nawawala yung pagod ko. Pero, ewan ko, talagang sometimes, hindi mo rin alam kung anong plan ni Lord, no, Daddy? Buti pa kayo ni Mami, going strong, no? Ha? Going strong. Kaya, yun lang. I think I'll be fine soon. But I'm not rushing things. Pero ikaw na nanonood ng video to, kung ikaw din ay may pinagdadaanan, the advice that I would be telling you is to always pray. Ano ba, Daddy? Pray. Tapos kailangan kasama ng prayer ay action. Sabihin mo, action. Kasi pag ikaw ay dasal lang na dasal, wala ka namang ginagawa, wala rin mangyayari, di ba? Now, don't think na ikaw ay kawawa. Kasi the more na you think that way, the more na dinadown mo yung sarili mo. But the pain, use the pain as a fuel to become or to surpass the challenges that you are having right now. Okay? So, this is just a straight video kasama si Daddy G kasi wala kang magawa. We are waiting here for Mommy to come home. So, yun lang. Huwag kang matakot. Kaya natin yan. Tapos, sa'yo, I've already told you those things, but just always remember na if you have already decided, if you have answers, please inform me. Yun lang naman Yun lang naman. Wala namang tawag dito. There's no need for explanations or whatsoever. If you made your decisions, that's it. You just have to respect it. Gano'n naman talaga, di ba? Kaya, yun. I'm just waiting. Sorry, kaya lang talaga pag hindi ko to ginawa kasi feeling ko sasabog ako No? Daddy? Oh, mag-goodbye na tayo sa kanila. Now, let's smile. Ayan. Ayan na. Oh, kiss mo na si Kuya. Kiss. This is my, my strength. My Daddy G. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. So, mga ka-youngsters, mga ka-Daddy G, yun lang. Uwi na si Mami ngayon. Salamat sa Diyos. Always pray and God bless.